Prior to draping the big case back table, engage the two locking casters located on the front legs. With the table now secured, the draping process can begin without the negative effect of table movement. Locate the sticker on the drape that reads, "To the back." Point the arrow in the direction of the back of the table. Find the center of the table and position the drape 10 inches to the right, approximately the width of one folded drape when removed from the packaging. Extend the drape to either side of the table, ensuring that both sides of the table have an equal amount of drape. Take hold of the blue plastic flap and pull the drape forward, covering the front portion of the table. Remember that as long as you are touching plastic, the sterile field has not been broken or compromised. Standing at opposite ends of the table, each individual will take hold of the blue flap and pull the drape toward the back of the table. A notch has been cut out of the drape to accommodate for the two shelf posts. Stabilize the drape by standing at the side of the table, securing the tailpiece of the drape with one hand, while the other grasps the orange dot. Together in one motion, lift the drape upward and forward, enveloping the upper shelf. Starting at one side of the table, begin by placing both hands into the cuff of the standard drape. Lift and position the drape onto the upper tier, working your way from one side of the table to the other, unfolding and positioning the drape as needed until the upper shelf is completely covered. At this point, scrub personnel will need to complete the draping by reaching under the shelf and securing the Velcro tabs. There are 3 Velcro strips located under the shelf that correspond to the strips on the drape. Securing the right, left, and center strips will remove any tenting effect and allow for complete access to the underside of the shelf. The draping procedure for the big case back table is now complete and ready for instrumentation setup.